On a rainy Saturday night in Enumclaw,
Don't forget about the tree lighting.
You're such a Grinch.
I know.
even the meanest person in town is getting almost excited.
I thought you didn't like this time of year.
I don't. This is all about building a community together to bring joy to all the people, even though it's miserable.
So miserable, it's become a holiday tradition here on Cole Street. A tree lighting, followed by the most predictable snowstorms of the season. Almost everybody is having a great time, trying to catch snowflakes, running through the snow, scooping up snow. Who could possibly hate this?
I get all wet because the snow is like soap. And I hate taking showers, and it makes everybody happy.
And that includes the jolliest guy in town. Yep, Kris Kringle himself has joined the party.
Santa sucks. He's the worst.
My grandkids love it. Coming out here every year when they do this, it's awesome.
The snow may be fake, but the fun is real. Something about the holiday season always seems to promise peace on earth. And we almost saw it here. Almost.